Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make some lemon mint fonio. This ancient grain is gluten-free and lighter and fluffier than quinoa. To prepare it, start off with 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Then add a cup of the fonio. Stir and let it cook over high heat for a few minutes, then add 2 cups of water and a little bit of salt. Once you bring it to a boil, turn the heat to low and cook for a minute. As it's cooling, chop some mint. Add a bit of salt and lemon juice to the fonio. And throw in your mint. Then combine using a fork. And you're ready to eat. Hope you like this one.